This remedy will make sure you look beautiful with no makeup. You will go out there with no makeup and your skin will be glowing beautifully. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. So go ahead and subscribe for more beauty tips and health tips, because I also share health tips right on this channel. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So like the title says, this will make you to look beautiful with no makeup. You look naturally beautiful. I don't condemn makeup, okay? Makeup is actually very good. But most people use makeup to cover some blemishes, dark spots, other skin imperfections. When you make use of this remedy, it will get rid of those dark spots, all those skin imperfections that makes you to use makeup. You will go out there with no makeup and your skin will still look the same as if you applied makeup. So with these simple natural ingredients, you will obtain a great result. Your skin will be glowing and glowing and glowing. So without wasting time, let's go straight into this treatment right away. So this is the first ingredient you have to get: onion. Onion is full of antibacterial properties. It contains so many vitamins that will help to glow your skin. Very rich in vitamin C. I know many does not like the smell of onion, but the result of this will give your skin the best. It helps to treat aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines. If you have dark spots, it helps to clear it out. If you have acne, pimples, the antibacterial properties it contains will help greatly to get rid of those skin problems of yours. So you have to get onion. Use any color of onion. Yes, the white type, the yellow type, and this type. So what you have to do is to get any size, okay? Because it's the juice we need. I'm going to tell you how to make use of the juice of onion. Onion juice to get perfect results. So what you have to do is to get any size. Remove the peel. After removing the peel, you have to cut it, wash it thoroughly. Use a clean water, wash it, because this is something you have to apply on your skin. You don't want to contaminate your skin in any way. So after doing so, cut it into smaller size, transfer into the blender, add some water, blend it. But if you do not have a blender, you can actually make use of a grater. After removing the peel and washing it, use a grater to grate it. If you do not still have a grater, you can make use of a mortar. Just pound it any way to squeeze out the juice from it. So after doing so, add some water, blend it. Make sure you blend it into a smooth paste. Then you have to squeeze out the juice of onion. Onion juice has a very beautiful color. The color is like pink, very beautiful color. When you have gotten the juice of onion, you have to keep it aside. And the next ingredient you have to add into this is turmeric. Yes, turmeric powder. I love turmeric a lot, like a lot. It helps to treat so many skin problems, dark spots. It helps to fade away dark spots. It helps to tighten the skin, firm up your skin to look younger. It helps to give you that wonderful glow. Your skin will be glowing beautifully. Like this is especially for all skin type. Do not add it too much if you have a dark skin. You can also call turmeric as a natural bleaching agent because it helps to unify complexion, brighten the skin. If you're a dark skin person, do not use it all the time. But I'm making use of this right now because of the exfoliating properties. It helps to get rid of dead skin cells, giving your skin that amazing look. Your skin will look so beautiful at the end. So you have to add just a little. There's no actual measurement, just a little of turmeric goes a long way. About half tablespoon or half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add it into the onion juice and mix it thoroughly. So the next ingredient to add in there is rose water. Yes, rose water is amazing for all skin type. This particular remedy of today is for all skin type. Whether you are a dry skin person, oily skin, sensitive skin, or if you are a fair skin person, dark skin, or any complexion at all, this treatment will help you greatly without affecting your complexion in any way. This rose water will help to balance skin pH. It helps to get rid of so many skin imperfections, very mild, especially if you have sensitive skin. If you have an oily skin, this will help to balance it out, get rid of so much oiliness. Like your skin will be looking so beautiful without that greasy look. So if you want to glow your skin, this is perfect. Any skin type at all, this will help greatly. It helps to treat skin irritation. I love rose water a lot because it does amazing for my skin. I have an oily skin and it helps to keep my skin intact. So just add about 3 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons into that water, onion water. Mix this treatment very well. Mix it. So this is a wonderful toner that if you apply it, you don't need to wash it out. If you want to also wash it out, you can go ahead and wash it out. It's equally good. How to apply this treatment after mixing these 3 wonderful ingredients? Store it in a spray bottle or store it in a can. Mix it very well. Anytime you want to use it, mix it thoroughly. Then you have to use a cotton wool. Be applying it on a well clean face. Please, whenever you want to apply any skincare treatment, make sure your skin is very clean. Wash off all makeups, all dirt, so that the treatment will be able to penetrate well and work well. So wash off all makeups and dirt, then apply it all over your skin. Anything you want to treat at all. If you want to treat acne, make use of it. You want to just glow your skin, just apply it on your skin. Leave it on for about 10-15 minutes, then go wash it off using a cool water, like a lukewarm water precisely. So after that, you can go ahead and apply a light moisturizer or not. This treatment is perfect for all skin type. You will love the result in the end. So you can actually apply it at night and daytime. Daytime, after 15 minutes, wash it off. At night, before you go to bed, apply it. When it gets dry, you can decide to sleep with it. The next day, you wash it off. So this is a wonderful way to achieve that beautiful look. Go out without makeup and your skin will be glowing and glowing and glowing. You will never have dark spots if you continue making use of this. Okay, with consistent use, that dark spots will be fading away until you have no dark spots anymore. Use this treatment every day or every other day for best result. You can store it in the refrigerator anytime you want to make use of it. Remember, mix it very well, then apply it on your skin and you're all good. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.